exactly is a property of matter? Properties are the characteristics that allow us to identify, describe, and distinguish one substance from another. Some properties are readily observable, such as color, shape, or texture. Others require measurement tools, including temperature, density, or conductivity. Matter has properties that are physical or chemical. First, let's consider physical properties. A physical property is a characteristic of matter that can be observed or measured without changing the substance's chemical identity. Common examples include density, color, hardness, melting and boiling points, and electrical conductivity. Some properties, like color or density, can be observed directly. Others, like melting or boiling points, only reveal themselves when matter undergoes a physical change. Having identified physical properties, we can now ask, what is a physical change? A physical change is a transformation in which a substance changes its form, state, or appearance without altering its chemical composition. No new substances are formed, and the molecules themselves remain unchanged. When ice melts into water, it undergoes a change in state, but the molecules remain H2O. Other examples of physical changes include boiling water into steam, dissolving sugar in coffee, magnetizing or demagnetizing metals, and grinding solids into powders. In each case, the substance changes in form, state, or appearance, yet its chemical composition stays the same. But some changes go deeper. What if it transforms into something entirely new? That's when chemical properties become important. A chemical property describes a substance's ability to undergo a chemical change, producing one or more new substances with different compositions and identities. Examples include flammability, toxicity, acidity, reactivity, and heat of combustion. Chemical properties are revealed when a substance undergoes a chemical change, transforming into a new substance with distinct composition and properties. So, let's now consider chemical changes. A chemical change, also called a chemical reaction, occurs when one or more substances undergo a fundamental transformation, forming new substances with different chemical compositions and properties. Bonds are broken and new bonds are formed, producing matter with a new identity. Indicators of a chemical change include the evolution of gas, unexpected color changes, the release or absorption of heat or light, and irreversible changes in composition. These observable signs help identify when a substance has undergone a chemical transformation. Examples of chemical changes include the formation of rust, where the resulting substance is different from the original iron, oxygen, and water. Food being digested to form new molecules, and some metals reacting with acids to release hydrogen gas. In each case, the substances undergo a transformation that produces matter with a new chemical composition.